NCE micro-dissolution and permeation analyzer operating procedures. Press and hold the power button to power on. Place the pipeline into the experimental medium. Enter account name and password to enter the main interface. Before starting the experiment, please click on Manual Control. In the Manual Control interface, first click the spectral graph display button to make a dark background. Then click the deuterium lamp control button to turn on the deuterium lamp. Procedure of micro-dissolution experiment. Before the formal experiment, the UV electrode calibration and the standard curve calibration were required. Click on the automatic detection for micro-release. Click the UV electrode calibration. Before running the UV electrode calibration, add the specified medium to the cup and insert the stirrer. Place the cup into the experimental tank. After the calibration is run, the optical fiber is automatically lowered. After the optical fiber stops, click on Automatic Score. Once the pattern stabilizes, click to set as the reference. Click to save the spectrum. The calibration of the UV electrode is completed. Click on the standard curve calibration. Set parameters such as sample name and rotational speed. Click the drop button to make the optical fiber into the medium. After the chromatogram stabilizes, add the sample solution of known concentration to each cup for the first time. Select the appropriate wavelength based on the maximum absorbance value of each optical fiber, and record the drug concentration in the cup at this time. After the record is completed, add the same known concentration of the sample solution for the second time. Simply record the concentration of the sample in the cup at this time. After the second save, click on Calculate. Automatically judge the confidence level of the calibration curve, and the calibration curve correction is completed. Click on the history sequence and select the experimental conditions. Prepare samples. Weigh an appropriate amount of the sample and add it to a small rotating disc, then record the weight. Then place the cover onto the rotating disc, forming tablets in a tablet press. After the tablet pressing is completed, place the small rotating disc in the magnetic stirring disc. Insert the sealing film in the middle. Place the assembled device into the reaction vessel. Then it was placed in the reaction tank. Click to run the sequence. The detection interface prompts the experimental running steps. After the experiment began, the liquid injection needle automatically emptied the pipeline and added a certain volume of medium to the reaction vessel. After the liquid is added, the optical fiber automatically descends into the medium for monitoring. The interface records the changes in absorbance values in the solution in real time. After the experiment is completed, you can check the changes in absorbance values in each reaction vessel in the data record. Automatic penetration detection. The calibration of the UV electrode and the standard curve before the experiment were the same as before. Click on the history sequence and select the experimental conditions. The permeable membrane used in the experiment was previously dried from the storage solution. Then it is placed in the experimental medium to be moistened. At this point, the pre-wetted gasket is assembled into the permeation device MicroFlux device. A permeable membrane is placed between the two gaskets. After assembling the gasket and the permeation membrane, clamp the permeation device. Add a certain amount of experimental medium to both sides of the device. Add a stirring rod to each of the left and right sides. After clicking the run sequence, real-time optical density monitoring via optical fiber. When it is indicated that the solution needs to be added, add the sample to the left side of the device as the donor side. Then the timing of the experiment began. After the experiment is completed, you can view the changes in absorbance measured for each optical fiber in the test data, and it also supports the calculation of permeability. pH conversion detection. Before the experiment, the calibration of the UV electrode and the calibration of the standard curve were carried out in the same way as before. Experimental conditions were set in the historical sequence. After the experiment began, wait for the first injection of the medium. Add the liquid needle to automatically extend. Add the set volume of medium to the reaction vessel. After adding the medium, the optical fiber drops and records the absorbance. The medication will be administered once the temperature reaches the required level. After the second time for adding the medium has arrived, the liquid needle automatically adds the set volume of solvent. After the experiment was completed, you can view the changes in absorbance of each optical fiber monitoring in the detection data.